Thank you very much for joining us on this video, and we're going to cover actually how to process an actual order from scratch on our brand new upgraded system. So to begin, I want you guys to log in. Your user ID and your password should remain the same. Nothing should not change as far as your passwords or your user IDs. That's going to stay the same. All you're going to need to do is just click on log in, and that's going to take you into our brand new platform. When you're logged into our platform and you're ready to begin your order, you're going to realize you're going to be automatically sent to the new order screen under the express mode function. If for some particular reason you're on the main menu, don't worry, just click on new orders and then select on express mode. Okay, let's begin. I'm actually going to begin by putting in the username or the person placing the order. So my name is Bruce, last name is Lee. Now I'm going to put in a contact number just in case. And the reason I like to input a phone number is if there's any type of pickup issues or delivery issues, we have a contact number to reach. Any special instructions? If there is, I'm going to input that information here. And then I'm going to select a department. And now I can go to the pickup and the delivery section. So this really hasn't changed. So if you wanted to switch the address as the delivery address, you can just click on switch. I'm going to put that right back as my pickup information. If you want to pre-fill the information by using your address book, you just click on address book, and then I can look for my account name. And if it's not there, then I'm going to have to create it from scratch. Okay, so that's still in the same format, except it's a much more different screen. I do recommend you put in a contact. So in this case, I'm actually going to see Billy Ray. And I recommend also adding street number 2. Is it a floor, a pickup, a basement? All that information we're going to need for the pickup. So I'm going to say this is floor number 10. And then I'm going to put in a phone number for contact. Okay, and now I'm going to start to build the information for the delivery. So TCG. My contact there is going to be Chuck Norris. And then I'm going to put in the street information. And it looks like it has the address pre-saved for me. And this is going to be in the basement floor. And the phone number I have for Chuck, I'm going to enter that right now. And that information is now in the system. And now I can go into my order number. So this is where you want to put in your purchase order number, your sales receipt number, your tracking information for your records. If you need more, if you have more than one tracking or some type of specific indicators, you can use reference 2, reference 3, and reference 4 as well. So here I'm going to put in my sales order number as 12345. And I'm also going to enter the purchase order number. And I'm good to go. In certain accounts, you're going to just be able to just enter your weight. Here I can't because this account actually mandates that I print labels. If you do have an account that requires you to enter a label, not a big problem. Just click on Add or Edit Packages. Where it says Pieces, you're going to move over to this little plus sign. And then you'll enter the number of packages you have for delivery or for that pickup. I'm going to click on Set. I'll enter the weight. This is 15 pounds. And then I can enter the dimensions. And I'll enter the height as well. Perfect. I'm going to click on Submit, and you'll see that that weight will be entered now on top. If I have a declared value account, I can enter my declared value. If not, you just leave it alone. My account's already defaulted, as you can see, for a van vehicle type, so I'm going to leave that as is. I also have my any. If this was a round trip, I can check off round trip. And then I also have the options to say where I would like to have an email sent to. So I can actually enter my own email. I want my email to be sent to while it's en route. I also want to receive an email when it's been picked up. I want to receive it when it's en route for delivery. And once there's a proof of delivery or signature on file, I would like to get that email notification as well. Once those criteria have all been filled out, you can scroll to the bottom and now you can click on Continue. Okay, click on Continue. And now you're going to have your order review screen, and from this screen you'll be able to review the content on the screen. So off the bat, you're going to be able to see the information, who placed the order, the phone number, the email address, the special indicator for the order number. I also have the PO number, where we're picking up, where we're delivering, our contact information. This is all really helpful. And then I also see, for example, my order details. Picking up on the 13th at 7:14 a.m. It should be delivered by 12:14. All that information is there in the system for us. One piece, it weighs a total of 15 pounds, and then I have my declared value, and so forth. And then if you look at the bottom, you'll be able to see as well as the details of the weight, height, length, and all that good information. If I scroll back up to the top, if I needed to make some type of edits, I can click on edit. If not, I can click on submit. And if I would like to create another ticket with the same content, I can click on yes. If not, I can just click on no. If I needed to print a label, this is where I'm going to print on label. I'm going to say yuppers, yup, yes. And then as well, I'm going to increase this so you guys can see this is exactly how the label will print out. Okay, I'm going to click on cancel. Now that you guys have seen that, close this out, and I'm all set. So my order is all set in the system. All right, we hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you so much.